Okay, 1st of September. Here are the new Shadow Ops 70 base. Let's clear one out. First thing we'll do is we'll get rid of... There we go. Come on. Come on up. We don't want to kill these guys down here yet. We want to kill him. Okay, there we go. All right, we got rid of him. Now we're going to clear out the stuff over here. Hopefully we won't die. All right, now let's move over a little bit, clean some more out. We get rid of these two, the railgun and the fire cannon. They're extremely dangerous. Stay away from them. All right, let's stop here and let's see what we can clear out right here. All right, now let's back up so we don't get in the fire. Stay away from the fire. The fire will bury you. Let's go down a little further, clear out some more. This is just one way. If you know of a better way, by all means use it. But first time I did this, I lost 4 caretakers because I didn't know what I was doing. And when I'm not careful, that can happen again. So you just got to take your time, figure out what works for you. All right, that's good there. Let's take out some more stuff here. Oh, that was not good. I did not want to take that out. Oh, that's a problem. That is a problem. Normally I save that and I take out the rail with that. All right, we are going to have to, okay, end this attack. We'll come in and we've got to clean him out. All right. Well, like I said, every time you do it, it's a little bit different. Let's see what would be good for that. We're going to try... All right, we're going to try Envoys. They should do fine. You just got to be careful of him. Normally we don't get this damage, but we'll have to see what happens. Where we coming in? Coming in over there. Envoys. All right, get over here. Normally that is still standing, and we can use that to take out the railgun, but we must be just too efficient. That's all right, this should take out the railgun. Hopefully we won't get any damage from the anti-air. Okay, that's good. All right, good. All right, now we gotta send the jug back in rather than drive all the way over there. We'll just save time. We'll move right here. Basically, we got one more shot with the jug, then we're done. But as you can see, this is just one way to get it done. Our goal is to get the least amount of damage possible. All right, come on. Get the lag over with. There we go. All right, we will now... All right, we got to clean these guys out, so I guess we're going to have to use him and hope he doesn't move too far. All right, let's get those guys stopped. Send him in. Oh, he moved. Well, we'll see if it'll get him. All right, we got him. Now, we want to shoot him because you got to watch out for this railgun here. But unfortunately, this fire right here is going to cause us a little delay, so we just have to wait. Don't go through the fire. You go through the fire and your unit will die. So we're going to shoot here. The railgun is the real problem. The rest of the stuff is not a problem at all. Okay, that's done. Let's go get it. All right, that's all cleared out. Excellent. All right, that's it. That's enough for now. All right, now we're going to send technicals in. And the technicals are going to clean out the anti-air. All this stuff here is going to get cleared up by the technicals. The rest, envoys will take care of it. We're just about done. This is one way to do it. Get minimal damage. And I'm just continuing to do them so I can get weapons for the bishop. Okay, that's all we needed. Now we send the envoys in and clear out the rest. And then you're done. Let's see what we get for weapons. As long as you're careful and shoot the right stuff and kill in the right order, kill ground with air, kill air with ground. You just got to figure out what works for you. This works for me, so it works fine. All right, get rid of him. Now, he's the only one that we have to worry about, so we'll shoot him. And it'll clear all that stuff out for us. Okay, just got to kill these two and we're done. Okay, that's it. Let's see what we got. What did I... Oh, okay. I was going to say, there's got to be something. Usually it goes away. All right, there we go. See what it gives us. Frontline training, thick tires. Okay. All right, let's send these guys home. There really shouldn't be much damage at all. Let's see how much damage there is. So it's just that easy. If you want to see the damage, hang around. Otherwise, that's it. It's that simple. Let's get in the base and see. All right, got a few damaged units. See how much we got. Okay, these guys are prepared while we were waiting. 8 minutes repair. 8 minutes total repair on this. And so you just take him out, put a new one in, repair that in 29 seconds, and you're done. This one is, okay, 8 minutes on that. That's it. That's all the repair was, so 8 minutes. So basically what it came down to is one of our caretakers took a little bit of damage. Other than that, that was it. Okay, enjoy.